Think building wealth is only for the rich? Think again. You don't need to be born with a silver spoon in your mouth to achieve financial freedom. It's all about making smart choices today to secure your future tomorrow. In this video, I'm sharing a step-by-step blueprint anyone can follow to start growing their wealth, no matter their current income level. That's right, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck, these strategies can help you turn things around. Learn proven strategies for saving, investing, eliminating debt, and creating multiple income streams. Whether you earn a little or a lot, these principles will help you build a financially secure future starting today. So let's dive in. Okay, let's get real for a second. Nobody likes the B word, right? But trust me, budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about understanding where your money is going so you can make it work harder for you. The first step is to track your income and expenses. There are tons of apps out there, or you can go old school with a spreadsheet. The goal here is to see exactly how much is coming in and where it's all going. You might be surprised by what you find. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, you can start setting realistic financial goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment, paying off debt, or investing, a budget will keep you on track and accountable. Debt can feel like a huge weight on your shoulders, but it doesn't have to control your life. Remember those high-interest credit cards? Yeah, those are the worst offenders. We need to tackle those first. One effective strategy is the debt snowball method. Basically, you focus on paying off your smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the others. Once that's gone, you roll that payment amount into the next smallest debt and so on. Why does this work? Because it creates momentum. Every time you eliminate a debt, you get a psychological win that keeps you motivated to keep going. Trust me, being debt-free is an amazing feeling. Alright, now for the fun part, making your money work for you. The key here is to develop a consistent saving habit. Even if it's just a small amount each paycheck, it all adds up over time thanks to the magic of compound interest. Now, let's talk about investing. Don't worry, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to get started. There are plenty of beginner-friendly options out there, like low-cost index funds or ETFs. Remember, investing is a long game. Don't panic sell when the market dips. Stay consistent with your contributions, and over time, you'll be amazed by how much your portfolio grows. Having just one source of income is risky. What if you lose your job or your industry takes a hit? That's where multiple income streams come in. They provide a safety net and can accelerate your wealth-building journey. Think about your skills and passions. What services could you offer as a freelancer? Could you start a small side hustle? Maybe you have a spare room you could rent out on Airbnb. The possibilities are endless. Even a small side income can make a big difference in your financial life, giving you more breathing room and flexibility. The world of finance is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay informed and keep learning. Read books, listen to podcasts, follow reputable financial experts online. There's a wealth of information out there. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. The more you understand about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions for your future. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek guidance from trusted financial advisors if needed. Your future self will thank you for investing in your financial education. So there you have it, a roadmap to building wealth no matter where you're starting from. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick, it's about making consistent, informed choices that will pay off in the long run. Start by taking small steps today. Create a budget, tackle your debt, and explore different investment options. The most important thing is to get started and stay committed to your financial goals. Subscribe now to get actionable finance tips every week and start mastering your money. You've got this!